Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Samsung phone password or PIN. So if you use PIN or password on your Samsung phone and now you want to change it, you don't want to use your Face ID and you don't want to use a fingerprint. All you want is you want to change your password. Then this is what to do. Go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and ALD. Click on screen lock and biometrics. Then type in the current password or the current PIN and click on continue. After that, if you want to change the password, click on password. And then type in the new password. If you want to change your PIN, click on PIN and then type in your new PIN. Click on continue, enter the PIN again. Once the PIN is correct or the password is correct, this is going to help you to change your phone password on your Samsung phone. And then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.